Hello audience, how to crop PDF online for free without investment. This video review, okay? 100% absolutely free, no investment, no subscription, okay? Let's go. First time open your Chrome browser and the search icon toolsmpro.com, enter top section, so this tool, 3 waste or type tools master project. Click now this icon option, okay? Click now and top section visible, exit 230 plus free all type tools master project, okay? Scroll here and click for PDF 18 plus multiple tools for free. Click now this option and open this site and 18 plus tools 100% free and this icon search option any need your requirement. This video review crop PDF option. Click now this option, open and scroll crop PDF, adjust margin and crop PDF page, okay? Select PDF and your device and import from Dropbox and import from Google Drive. You need your requirement this video and select your PDF your my device, okay? And select PDF, open one page, okay? And the crop option, this icon, okay? Your requirement, your need, adjustment, okay? And crop, successful, PDF cropped successfully. Save Dropbox, Google Drive, copy link, delete, download option, click now, cropped, okay? Download and open cropped PDF, okay? This video helpful, please follow me my page and subscribe my channel, okay? And multiple tools for free, how to use, full details.